how to jump cut in OpenShot video editor right now. Welcome to how to jump cut in OpenShot. I might have to blur that out or blur some of these out. Let's do something simple. Let's do like a thing from my prior vlog, or you can do the intro. Let's do the thing from my prior vlog. You can drag and drop there, or I can do that. I'd rather just copy and paste that. Exit out of there. It's just a recording. Yes. Exit out of there. And after you exit out of there, put it in the timeline. Either track. Either track 5 or track, doesn't matter. Hi again, guys. Today you play it. That's the magnet tool. Alright, use the razor tool and trim something random. Say this and this. Go back up to what was the one tool? Not the track. And marker. Page. Yeah, hit it. Oh yeah, hit it again for that. That's neat. Hit in the middle, remove clip. We can rotate, transform, separate audio, which I will go over and maybe in a future tutorial. Do the volume, but that. But what we want is display properties, remove clip, then drag it over, use that, use that tool to lock it in and play it. But I'm not going to mute the, that's the biggest timeline. How you doing, guys, today? Put it where we can see the cut. Sorry about that. Today, this will be uploaded today. Be uploaded by Friday. Let's see if we can use that cut. Interesting day. Just thought about that. Today, will be uploaded today. Be uploaded by Friday. Hopefully in a future tutorial, I will teach you guys how to, hopefully in a future tutorial, I will teach you guys how to do transitions. Maybe a faster cut. Anyway, bye bye.